Have a look at this question. You often get these questions in your exams, so please understand it properly. The question says, classify the following into saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. The question can also be saturated the following into alkane, alkene and alkynes. Right? We know alkane means saturated and alkene and alkyne means unsaturated. So the set of formulas has been given over there and you are asked to classify them into saturated and unsaturated. So what you need to do is you are going to apply the general formulas that we have done just now, and then we are going to classify it into the categories that we have been asked for. Though the question says saturated and unsaturated, we'll classify them into alkane, alkene and alkynes, and then we can further classify them into saturated and unsaturated. So let's say alkane first. This is the first category. Alkene, the second one, which has a double bond, and alkyne is the third one, which is the triple bond. Alright. Now, just now I told you here hydrogen atoms is double plus 2. Here hydrogen atom is just the double, and there hydrogen atom is double minus 2. So we are now going to look for these general formulas. Going one by one, let's discuss this first. This is CH4, right? Now you already know that the number of hydrogen atoms, if you calculate, are double plus 2, because if carbon is 1 into 2 plus 2 is going to give you 4. Alright, this means C1H2 into 1 plus 2. So this is going to give you CH4. 2 ones are 2 plus 2 is going to give you CH4, right? So the first formula given to you, CH4, is a single bonded hydrocarbon as per the general formulas that we have studied. So it should fall under this category, CH4. Coming to the second one, C2H4, right? C2H4, directly you can tell the number of hydrogen atoms are double. If the hydrogen atoms are double, it is supposed to be an alkene, right? 2 2s are 4, just the double. So it is going to fall under this category, C2H4. Coming to this one, coming to the third one, C6H14, let's discuss that. Here you can clearly make out the number of hydrogen atoms are double plus 2. Isn't it? Double of 6 is going to give you 12, plus 2 is 14. So this is double plus 2. And if hydrogen atoms are double plus 2, it is going to belong to the single bonded alkanes. So this is also going to fall under this category, C6H14. Let's discuss this, C5H8. C5H8 tells you that the number of hydrogen atoms are double minus 2 of the carbon atoms. Double of carbon, that means 5 is 10. And when you are going to minus 2, you are going to get 8. So double minus 2 is the formula for alkynes. And this is going to fall under this category, C5H8. Coming to this one, C3H4. Okay, carbon atoms double means 6. And if you minus 2 from that, you get 4. So hydrogen atoms are double minus 4. So this is also going to fall under this category. Come to this one, C2H6. The hydrogen is double plus 2 of the carbon atom. Double is 4 plus 2 is 6. So this is going to fall under alkanes. The general formula of alkanes, the number of hydrogen atoms are double plus 2 of the carbon atoms. Coming to this one again, C4H8. You can clearly see the number of hydrogen atoms are just the double. And if hydrogen atoms are just the double of the carbon atom, it falls under the category of alkenes. So this is going to fall here, C4H8. Coming to the last one, C3H8. We can clearly deduce that the number of hydrogen atoms are double plus 2 of the carbon atoms, right? Double of carbon means 3 into 2, 6. Plus 2 is going to give you 8. So this hydrogen is double plus 2 of the carbon atoms. So it is going to come under the category of alkanes. And it will be written here, C3H8. Right? So according to the general formulas, we have classified the given formulas to us under these three categories: alkane, alkene and alkynes. as per the question, we have to classify them into saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. And we know that this one, this category that we have written down over here, alkanes, this belongs to the saturated hydrocarbons. So this is going to be the saturated hydrocarbon category. And double and triple bond, both of these, they are going to fall under the category of unsaturated hydrocarbons, right? So using general formulas, this is how you are going to classify a given set of hydrocarbons into saturated, unsaturated as per the question, or alkane, alkene and alkyne, whatever the question demands of.